5 things home inspectors want you to know about mold. While no homeowner likes to admit it, mold is a reality that many buildings face as they get older and as the air circulating inside the home begins to carry too much moisture. Mold can be extremely dangerous if left to grow and spread across your walls or ceilings. Not only is this fungus detrimental to the structural integrity of your home, but it can also wreak havoc on your health by affecting the air you breathe. At ProInspect Solutions, our top-rated home inspection solutions are designed to keep homeowners informed and protected by searching for signs of mold. Continue listening to learn 4 things that you should know about this harmful fungus. Four things you need to know about mold. 1. Health risks associated with mold. Mold can be extremely harmful to the body. The microorganisms present in this fungus can trigger coughing, sore throats, and other problems that affect your ability to breathe inside your home. Mold is also known to attract dust mites and other insects that have the ability to make us sick over time. 2. How to prevent mold from growing. The culprit behind mold formation is moisture. For this reason, your best line of defense is to maintain a dry environment inside your home. In the humid summer months, homeowners should rely on air conditioning and keep windows shut at all times. Additionally, bathrooms and kitchens should be kept dry by turning on fans after each use of a shower, bath, cooking, or other appliances. 3. Structural risks. Mold spreads quickly, and once it has reached the wooden beams, wallpaper, and other vulnerable elements that comprise your home, it will begin to break down the fibers within these materials. If a mold problem persists for long enough, your entire home could be at risk of collapsing. It is for this reason that real estate agents will often request a home inspection before their client purchases a property. How to address a mold problem. The most important thing to do when you notice mold is to deal with it immediately. The longer you wait to have it removed, the more damage it could do. If you do not hire a professional to address the issue, you may accidentally spread the fungus to other parts of your home. At ProInspect Solutions, we provide a mold-safe warranty so that you are covered if mold appears as a result of a home inspection. Contact us today to book your home inspection. Be sure to go to proinspectsolutions.com/contact.